Hello guys, this is the time, this is the moment. Kindly like, comment and share this post. It is time for you to move from where you are now to where you want to be. There's a popular saying that you can't be sad while riding on a bike. So are you going to remain where you are, or you are going to move, step forward from where you are now to where you actually want to be? And no one else can do that for you except you yourself will do this for yourself. Stop procrastinating. Stop waiting for others to do it for you. It is time that you actually step up and take up the mantle of your life. Thank you very much. Follow me to my YouTube channel to see and watch most of my videos that are waiting there for you. Watch my videos, like them, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button to be able to get more of my videos and watch them. Thank you very much.